Dear friends, in the United States of America, a slavery reformation bill is going to be introduced very shortly so as to create a commission to study the history of slavery in the United States of America since 1619 and recommend appropriate remedies to the victims' families and descendants so as to address their genuine grievances. The Judicial Committee Chairperson Gerald Nadler has rightly and honestly told that, I quote, "We still live with the racial disparities in access to education, healthcare, employment, etc., that are directly attributable to the damaging legacy of slavery and government sponsored racial discrimination." This was the very statement issued by the chairperson of the Judicial Committee on the discriminative attitude of the white racial authorities, governmental authorities on the Negroes based on this discrimination on color and other discriminations. And the bill's sponsor and women, Sheila Jackson Lee, has rightly pointed out that both the government and non-governmental organizations have to address the issues of discriminations either to done to the Negroes and African-based as Negroes and racial discrimination. I quote that to reckon with our past and bring us closer to racial understanding and this advancement, that is, in order to address the issues of the racial discriminations that had been in vogue in the United States of America, both the chairperson and this gentle lady has given some sorts of inputs on the issues. Our point is this: the worst and the most cruel form of inhuman and degrading treatment had been forced in the name of slavery in almost all the civilizations and cultures in Sumeria, Egypt, Rome, and ancient India, and dated back to 6800 BC in Mesopotamia, wherein the enemies had been fought and won as slaves to the slave masters. This is the situation that had been in vogue in almost all parts of the world, in almost all the civilizations and cultures. Coming to the Indian scenario, the slavery sort of discrimination had been in the name of caste-based discriminations in vogue in the Indian history due to these caste-based biases and prejudices for the past 3000 years in India. We can't deny that the Indian society has not met with this slavery form of discrimination in India, but in the name of caste, it is still existing, and even it is more worse than that of the slavery in other parts of the country, in African Negroes and others in other parts of the continents. The point here is that Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar in his selected words has actually revealed all these things, which is worse, that is either untouchability or slavery. He has narrated all these things in the collected works of his writings in a beautiful way. Our point is that even in this 21st century, caste-based discriminations have been in many parts of India due to these intercaste marriages. Honor killing have been taking place in many parts of the country unabated, and most of the Manual scavenging works have been done by the marginalized communities, that is by the scheduled caste communities, even in this 21st century. Our point is that, our question is that reparation has been going to be done in the United States of America for 400 years of its history, but in India 3000 years, the untouchables, the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes have been facing innumerable discriminations based on caste issues ought to be addressed. And what is the reparation is going to be done by the government of India in this regard is to be seen in this regard. This is the message of this video. Thank you so much.